Hello everyone, and welcome back to Ella's ESL English. In today's lesson, we're looking at 5 common English idioms with the word hand. You may have heard some of these expressions such as give someone a hand or my hands are tied, but what do they actually mean? I'll explain each idiom clearly and show you how to use them naturally in everyday English. So let's get started. First idiom is to give someone a hand. To give someone a hand. So this means to help someone with a task or an activity. For example, would you mind giving me a hand with my homework? I'll give you a hand with the dishes after dinner. I need someone to give me a hand moving the furniture into the new apartment. To give someone a hand. To help someone. Next idiom, to be in safe hands. To be in safe hands. This just means to be looked after or cared for by someone trustworthy. For example, don't worry about your dog while you're on holiday. It's in safe hands with the pet sitter. Once the doctor arrived, I felt like I was in safe hands. Your money will be in safe hands if you invest with this trusted bank. To be in safe hands. Number 3, my hands are tied. My hands are tied. This means that you want to help someone, you want to help in a situation, but you're not able to do so. So for example, I really want to help you, but I'm really sorry, my hands are tied. Or I'd like to give you a ride, but my hands are tied. I don't have my car today. Or he couldn't lend me money. His hands were tied until payday. My hands are tied. Number 3, to have your hands full. To have your hands full. This just means to be extremely busy. For example, she has her hands full taking care of 3 young children. They had their hands full moving into their new house last weekend. The nurse has her hands full caring for so many patients. To have your hands full. Number 5 is to know something like the back of your hand. To know something like the back of your hand. This just means to know something really, really well. So for example, I know this city like the back of my hand. I grew up here. Or, after practicing the song for weeks, he knows the lyrics like the back of his hand. Or, I've read that book so many times, I know it like the back of my hand. To know something like the back of your hand. Okay, so let's review those 5 idioms with hand. The first one is to give someone a hand. And that means to help someone, to give someone a hand. The second one was to be in safe hands. To be in safe hands just means to be well looked after and taken care of. Number 3 was to, my hands are tied. My hands are tied. Which just means you're unable to help someone or do something for someone, even though you'd really like to. Number 4, we had to have your hands full. Have your hands full. Just means to be extremely busy. And number 5 is to know something like the back of your hand. And that just means to know something extremely, extremely well. All right, so now we have a bit of an understanding of those 5 idioms. You're going to hear those 5 idioms with hand in a dialogue, in a conversation, so that you can hear them in context.
Wow, David, you really have your hands full with those kids today.
Tell me about it. They've got so much energy. Could you give me a hand setting up the art table?
Sure, but just so you know, my hands are tied when it comes to snacks. The school has strict rules.
No worries. I just need help keeping them busy. At least we know they're in safe hands with the new assistant teacher.
Absolutely. And if anyone gets lost in the playground, don't worry. I know this place like the back of my hand.
That's reassuring. Thanks, Emma. You always make things run smoother.
And now, here are those 5 idioms with hand in a story.
Maya had her hands full trying to organize a hiking trip for her friends. Between booking the cabins, arranging transport, and making sure everyone had the right gear, she barely had time to breathe. On the day of the hike, her friend Alex noticed her struggling with the heavy backpacks and offered to give her a hand. She smiled gratefully. Sometimes a little help makes all the difference. As they started up the trail, Maya reassured the group, "Don't worry, you're in safe hands. I know this mountain like the back of my hand." She had hiked it dozens of times before and could easily point out the best spots to rest or enjoy the view. Later, one friend wanted to change the route and try a different trail, but Maya sighed. "Sorry, my hands are tied. The cabins are already booked for this path, and if we go another way, we'll run out of time." In the end, the trip went smoothly. Thanks to teamwork and a bit of patience, everyone had an unforgettable adventure.
And that's it for today's 5 English idioms with hand. Which idiom was new for you? And which one do you think you'll use first? Write your own example in the sentence if you like. I'd really like to read it. Remember, learning idioms can give you a better understanding of everyday English and help your conversations sound more natural. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and share this lesson with someone who is learning English. I'll see you in the next lesson. Bye for now.